Alright guys, it's me, Billy. Decided to make like a little type of block thing, just watching TV. What the fuck? Did you hear that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? So, my house might be a little fucking mess, but still. What the fuck is that? Oh. Julio? I see ya. Mom? What the fuck is that?